In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of picture gallery full screen scrolling on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now first, you need to turn on this feature to make use of it. So to do that, first go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen or in the app screen, open up the gallery app. Then tap on the menu button at the bottom. Next, tap on settings. Then tap on full screen scrolling. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then tap on the back key. Now when you scroll up and down in your picture gallery, the top section and the bottom section will be hidden so that you will have more screen space for your thumbnail. Now you can see here, when I scroll up or down, the status bar and the navigation bar will be hidden. And if I tap on the menu button and turn off full screen scrolling, this time you can see it will not hide the top part or the bottom part of your gallery. So here we got the menu and the navigation bar and the status bar at the top stay intact. And that's it. So that is how you can use the full screen scrolling in the picture gallery so that you have more screen space to view your picture thumbnail. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.